Welcome back to another JavaScript tutorial. In this lesson, we write a program to check if all the digits in a given number are the same. For example, the number 1111 passes the check, while 1234 does not. This is a great exercise to practice working with digits in numbers and loops. The task is to determine if all digits in a number are the same. For instance, if the input is 1111, the program should return true. However, for 1, 2, 3, 4, since the digits are different, it will return false. Let's see how we can implement this efficiently. Here's the solution using a simple while loop. First, we extract the last digit of the number using num modulo 10 and treat it as the reference. Second, we compare each subsequent digit to this reference as we remove digits one by one using integer division. Third, if we find a mismatch, the function immediately returns false, otherwise it returns true after the loop finishes. Here's a step-by-step breakdown of the process. We extract the last digit as a reference. We loop through the number and compare each digit with the reference. If any digit does not match, it returns false. Otherwise, it continues until all digits are checked. If no mismatches occur, return true. Let's analyze a few examples. The first example, all digits are equal to 1, so the function returns true. For the second example, the digits do not match, so the result is false. Finally, since all digits are 2, the function returns true. Here's the ES6 version of the code. We convert the numbers into a string and split it into an array of digits. Using the every method, we check if all digits match the first one. This version is concise, readable, and leverages modern JavaScript features. In summary, we've implemented two versions of the program to check if all digits in a number are the same. The ES5 version uses loops and arithmetic, while the ES6 version simplifies the solution with string and array methods. This demonstrates multiple approaches to solving a single problem in JavaScript. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.